In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades on this Ford Ranger. These will be mounted directly along the bottom of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we need to mention is your wiper arm is spring-loaded. If you lift it up, it's going to want to retract back down towards the windshield. It's something to keep in mind. You don't want this slamming down on the windshield and causing damage. With that said, we'll start removing the wiper blade from the wiper arm. Wiper blades come in different types. For this one in particular, it has a small locking tab that I'll have to pry out of place, and then I'll go ahead and pull this off of here. The wiper arm itself has a small hooked area that we have to slide this out of. Let's use a pocket screwdriver for this application. Now that I've done that, typically on most wiper blades, you're going to find you have a locking tab where my index finger is here. Go ahead and squeeze on that locking tab towards the arm, and then you should be able to slide this wiper blade out of place. Be extremely careful for that wiper arm. Carefully rest it down on the windshield. We'll take the wiper blade and wiper arm and carefully start putting them together, making sure that we slide the wiper blade into that hooked area. Slide it towards the center of the vehicle if you're doing the driver's side, listen for a click, and give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secured. At this point, the wiper blade is locked in position. Go ahead and rest it onto the windshield. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've done that, go ahead and test their functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.